there are a few more properties we need to think about. The first is the additive identity, okay? Identity. And that just means that anything added to 0 is itself. So like 1 plus 0 equals 1, right? X plus 0 equals x. If we add 0 to anything, it equals itself. And this is important when we start solving equations, okay? So this one, additive identity. The next one is the multiplicative identity, okay? And that sounds like a big word. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T. Multiplicative identity, so we're not that super quick. Multiplicative identity. And that means that any number that we multiply by 1 equals itself. So, 3 times 1 equals 3, right? A times 1 equals A. Anything times 1 is itself. So that's the multiplicative identity and the additive identity. Next is the multiplicative property of 0, okay? So I'm going to write that MPZ. Remember, multiplicative property of 0. And that just means anything multiplied by 0 is 0, okay? So 4 times 0 equals 0. Z, right, times 0 equals 0. If we multiply anything by 0, it's 0. And that's the multiplicative property of 0, okay? So we got the property of 0, that the hint is in its name, right? And then the last property I want to talk about in this video is multiplicative inverses, okay? The multiplicative inverse. And we've started using this more as we've started solving equations. Multiplicative inverses. In the multiplicative inverse. And it's two numbers, right, that multiply, or they're two numbers that product is 1. So something like 2/5 times 5 over 2 equals 1. These are multiplicative inverses, right? 5 over 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2/5. And so this is important because when we want to get rid of fractions and equations, it's important that we know when we multiply by the multiplicative inverse. So let's think, what would be the multiplicative inverse of 3/7? Well, we just flip it, 7 over 3. And why does this work? Because we're multiplying, so this would be 7's cancel, 3's cancel, and we're left with just 1, okay? So that's multiplicative inverse, and we really need to get used to using those.